Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to see your transaction history in your Trust Wallet application. So first of all, we'll be opening up Trust Wallet. We'll input our passcode as usual. Once you've inputted your passcode, we'll be heading over to the DApp section at the bottom right corner. Once there, we'll be opening up PancakeSwap right here. That's the PancakeSwap exchange. It loads up, and you make sure you tap this wallet symbol. If it shows disconnect, it means your wallet is connected. Otherwise, endeavor to connect your wallet. Now simply click on recent transactions, and here you can see all transactions you've made so far. That's based on your recent transactions for either the week or the month. Then you could see your balance on your smart chain, that's your BNB. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can view your transaction history on PancakeSwap. Okay guys, I'm going to simply show you how you can view all your smart chain transactions on your Trust Wallet by simply copying your wallet address like I just did. You close PancakeSwap and you head over to the search bar and input your wallet address. You switch the network to smart chain. Give it some time to load in. Click Binance transaction information, that's BSC scan. After clicking on BSC scan, you simply paste in your wallet address by pasting your wallet address in this search option, which has been made available. Here you can see how much you have in your wallet. Searching, it loads in. Your wallet is made available to you. That's your wallet information. You simply scroll down and you look at your transactions. You make sure you're selecting transactions. And now you can see all transactions made on the Trust Wallet with your smart chain address. Now, in order to see transactions like your Litecoin, here is your transactions for the day. You could see your transactions by simply clicking on the coin you want to check. You could also check your Tron as well. You could also check your Everrise. You could as well check your SafeMoon. You could also check your Aave token as well. That's on the Aave is on the Ethereum network. So yes, you can check Ethereum and other non-smart chain related coins. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to today's video. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to view your Trust Wallet transaction history, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.